Hi, my name is Jesus and I am with Fluid Free Ride. I'm one of the mechanics here. I'm going to go ahead and show you how to actually install a rear fender on a Horizon. Now we're going to go ahead and show you what the tools you're going to go ahead and need to install here for the fender. You're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. Now if you actually have one of these, is very handy. It's just kind of like a little pointer. It's going to be a guide. You're going to use these, and you're going to need your 4 screws. They're going to go ahead and 2 on one side and 2 on the other. So let's go. Now you notice that I've tilted the scooter so you can actually see the 2 eyelets right here on the suspension arm. What you want to do is actually take the fender and you're going to go ahead and position it. So as you could see, you see the holes right here, they're lining up, but sometimes they move and it makes it a little bit, taxing to go ahead and put in. So what I do is with that pointer, I use it as a channel to help me out as a guide to put the first screw in. Now try to tighten it up, and then once you feel it firm against the plastic, now take the screwdriver. And you're gonna see you got the first one going on. Now we can go ahead and do the second one at ease. Same thing. Try to twist it with your fingers, and when you feel it firm against the plastic, use the Phillips screwdriver. Now that you see it nice and firm, now that we actually installed on the left side, now the right side is, you can actually see sometimes it doesn't channel in correctly. That's why you have this as a channel right there to help you out as a guide, so you're able to install the fender. We're going to do the same thing, tighten it up with our fingers, and pretty much with the Phillips screwdriver just tighten it up. Same thing, once you feel it firm against the plastic, take your Phillips screwdriver clockwise. Now you've actually installed a fender on a Horizon from Fluid Free Ride.